The COSORI 5.0-Quart rice cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for people who want more flexibility than a basic rice cooker can provide. It offers 18 cooking functions covering different rice types and textures: oatmeal, grains, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, keeping food warm, delayed cooking, and quick rice preparation. The cooker uses fuzzy logic technology and a 6-step cooking process intended to adjust temperature during cooking, while the guided LED touch display provides a straightforward way to select and monitor programs. Its 5-quart capacity, equivalent to up to 10 cups of uncooked rice according to COSORI, makes it suitable for family meals or larger batches. The included 3-quart steam basket also adds some versatility for preparing vegetables or other foods alongside the main dish. From a practical standpoint, the cooker has several features that may appeal to regular home cooks. The clear measurement markings on the inner pot can make preparation easier, and the included measuring cup and rice paddle provide the basic accessories needed to get started. COSORI also states that the accessories are dishwasher safe, which may reduce cleanup effort after cooking. The removable inner lid and steam vent components shown on the product page are additional design details that can make routine maintenance more manageable. The cooker is relatively substantial at about 9.3 pounds and measures approximately 12.3 by 10.6 by 9.2 inches, so users with limited counter or storage space may want to consider its footprint before purchasing. Overall, the COSORI 5.0-Quart rice cooker appears to be positioned as a multifunctional appliance rather than a device intended only for cooking rice. Its variety of programs, larger capacity, touch controls, steam basket, and cleaning-friendly accessories give it broader everyday usefulness, while the number of functions could be more than necessary for someone who primarily wants a simple rice cooker. The product page also lists a 2-year limited warranty and a 30-day free return period, although buyers should review the applicable terms and regional compatibility before purchasing. One important consideration for customers outside the United States is that the listed model is specified for AC 120V, 60 Hz power, so electrical compatibility should be checked carefully.